What I'm about to show you takes just 10 minutes.
And it's the closest thing to a money cheat code there is. Most people get paid and do the exact same thing. The money hits, they pay a few bills, they spend on whatever comes up that week, and then they save whatever's left over, which is usually nothing. Then they do it again the next month and the next, and years go by, and they're standing in the same spot wondering where it all went. The people who slowly pull ahead do something different. Every single time they get paid, before they spend $1, they run the same short routine. Same steps, same order, every payday. It takes about 10 minutes, and it's the closest thing to a money cheat code there is. So let me walk you through it, step by step. Here's the one thing to understand before we start, because it's the whole secret. It is not about how much you make. It's about the order you do things in. If you spend first and try to save whatever's left, there's never anything left, because spending grows to eat whatever's sitting there. But if you save first and then spend what's left, suddenly it works. Same paycheck, same life, opposite result. And the only thing that changed was the order. So let's fix the order. 7 steps, top to bottom, every time you get paid. Step 1. The second your paycheck lands, before you pay a single bill, before you buy one thing, take a slice of it and move it out of your spending account into savings. 10% if you can, less if money's tight, but something, every time. Here's why this goes first instead of last. Most people wait until the end of the month to save, and by the end of the month, it's already gone. So you flip it. You take your slice before life gets its hands on the money. The simplest way to think about it, it's the first bill you pay every month. Except this bill is paid to you, not to a landlord or a company. You come first. Step 2. Make that slice move on its own. Now, this is different from step 1, and the difference matters. Step 1 is the decision to save. Step 2 is making sure it actually happens every time, without you having to remember or feel like it. Because let's be honest, some paydays you're tired, something came up, and you'll tell yourself you'll save double next time. You won't. So take yourself out of it completely. Almost every bank lets you set up an automatic transfer where the day after you get paid, that money slides into savings by itself before you even see it. You set it up one time, and then it just runs forever. No deciding, no remembering, no willpower. That's the whole point. The best money move is the one you make once and never have to make again. Step 3. Now you pay the bills you actually have to pay. The ones with real consequences if they're late. Rent or your mortgage, the electric bill, food, getting to work, and the minimum payment on any debt you owe. This is the money that keeps your real life running, the roof over your head and the lights on. And notice where it landed, right after you paid yourself, not before. Most people do this part first and pay themselves last. We flipped it. You first, then the stuff that keeps everything working. Step 4. Now we get to where your saved money actually goes, and the first job it does is build your emergency cushion. This is a pile of money you keep set aside for when life breaks something, the car dies, the fridge quits, a surprise bill shows up out of nowhere. And here's how it's different from the saving in step 1. Step 1 is the habit of setting money aside. This is the first place that money goes. You keep feeding it every payday until you've got a few months of your expenses saved up and just sitting there, safe. Why this matters so much? Without a cushion, the first time something goes wrong, you reach for a credit card, and now you're in debt. With a cushion, that same broken car is just an annoying afternoon, not a financial hole. So until this thing is full, every payday, your saved slice goes here first. Step 5. Once your cushion is full, That same saved money changes jobs, and now it goes at your worst debt. The expensive kind, credit cards mostly, the stuff charging you a fortune in interest. Every payday, you throw as much as you can at it, way more than the minimum, and you knock them out one at a time. Smallest balance or highest interest, your call. Here's why paying this off is so powerful. A credit card charging you 20% is draining you faster than almost any investment could ever pay you. So wiping it out is a guaranteed win. No risk, no maybe. You will not find a better use for that money than killing the debt that's bleeding you. Step 6. Once your cushion is built and your bad debt is gone, your saved money changes jobs again, and now a part of it goes to growing. This is investing, and it's different from everything before it. The cushion in step 4 is money you keep safe and can grab any time. Investing is money you put into something like an index fund and leave alone for years, so it grows into something much bigger over time. This is the step that slowly turns a regular person into a wealthy one. Not fast, not exciting, just money quietly growing in the background year after year. So once the earlier steps are handled, a slice starts going here every payday. Step 7. And here's the last place your money should go, and it might be the most powerful one of all. Into you. Because everything up to now has been about growing the money you already have. This step is about growing how much money you can make in the first place. So you put a little toward getting better at something people pay for, a course, a certificate, a skill, the tools of your trade. And here's the wild part. This can pay you back faster than any investment on earth. A couple hundred, a couple thousand into the right skill can turn into a raise or a side income that follows you for years. Investing grows your dollars. This grows you, and you're the thing that earns in the first place. So don't just grow the money you have. Grow your ability to make more of it. And then, the best part. After all 7 steps, pay yourself, automate it, cover the bills, fill the cushion, kill the debt, grow your money, grow yourself. Whatever is left over is yours. Completely. Spend it. Enjoy it. No guilt at all. That's the trick almost nobody understands. When you handle everything that matters first, in this order, the fun money at the end is guilt-free because you already know your future is taken care of. You're not spending money you should have saved. You're spending money you earned the right to enjoy. So that's the whole thing. 7 steps, same order, every single time you get paid. Take your slice first. Make it automatic. Pay the bills you have to pay. Fill your cushion. Kill your worst debt. Grow your money. Grow yourself. Then enjoy what's left with a clear conscience. None of this is about making more money, at least not at first. It's about what you do in the 10 minutes after the money lands, before it slips through your fingers the way it always has. Most people never decide where their money goes, so it just disappears. You're going to decide, on purpose, every payday. Do that, and you slowly become the person who gets ahead. Not because you earned more than everybody else, but because you finally started keeping some of it and putting it to work. And if this gave you a clear way to handle your next paycheck, subscribe and stick around. Because everything on this channel is built to walk you from broke to free, one plain truth at a time.